Welcome to the ultimate animal quiz. Think you know the animal kingdom? Let's see if you can guess all the right answers, from the fastest runners to the sleepiest creatures. Get ready, test your brain, and let's start the wild fun. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Answer A. Camel. What is the fastest land animal? Answer B. Cheetah. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? Answer A. Snail. How many hearts does an octopus have? Answer C. 3. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Answer A. Bat. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail and dance? Answer A. Peacock. What is the largest mammal in the world? Answer B. Blue whale. Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to humans? Answer A. Koala. What is a group of lions called? Answer C. Pride. Which animal lays the largest eggs? Answer B. Ostrich. What is the tallest animal in the world? Answer B. Giraffe. What is a baby kangaroo called? Answer B. Joey. Which sea creature has 3 hearts and blue blood? Answer A. Octopus. What is a group of flamingos called? Answer B. Flamboyance. Which mammal lays eggs? Answer A. Platypus. What is the largest reptile in the world? Answer B. Saltwater crocodile. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Answer C. Tortoise. Which animal can change its color to blend in with surroundings? Answer A. Chameleon. What is the slowest animal in the world? Answer A. Sloth. Which bird can mimic human speech? Answer B. Parrot. Answer B. Emperor penguin. Answer B. Emperor penguin. What do pandas mostly eat? Answer A. Bamboo. Which mammal is known to have the most powerful bite? Answer B. Hippopotamus. What animal is known for laughing sounds? Answer A. Hyena. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes?